tummy's making weird noises.
Mine is too. That's mine, honey. I can feel. Don't fall! Don't fall! Don't fall! Got that!
I'm gonna laugh if she falls on her ass.
She's gonna slip, dude. Look at him! Look at him! Love Ravenwood. I got that. Got that. Got that.
Dude, I literally cannot feel my feet.
Look at how
Like, if you stepped on them right now, step
You know
on
what? I don't really give a shit about how you can't feel your fucking feet.
You're
so
a Mariah, why are we friends with her? She's such a bitch.
you know what? I don't need your sass. I don't need the dude. Like, who the hell are you? You just ruined.
Too damn bad. Come here.
Hold on. Hey, babe. With your sunglasses. I'll cry my eyes out. Love Ravenwood.
Love Starbucks.
Get out! I'm gonna throw a snowball at him. Throwing a snowball
Oh my
at
God,
him.
hold
Hurry,
on.
it's cold.
Hold on.
Bitch!
Time.
One more time.
Yeah, that hit you, man. Bro.
Bro.
Don't get smart with me.
Bitches get stitches and they just don't know. Your face, you.
This is how we make the ponies put their ears forward. In pictures.
Look, I can make me wear noses with my stomach. Watch.
Oh my God, you're a freak.
You know what? I don't need your sass, and I don't need the dude.
You know what? Mariah makes an audio clip of everything we say.
Well, this is gonna be awkward. Hello, YouTube. This is
We really do love each other. We
speaking, and so today Mariah almost fell off because Meister, yeah, twice, because Meister was being an idiot and started bucking. Kaylin's really cute. You
I got hot chocolate.
No,
It's
you
not
don't.
doing much for me.
you got fucking
It says HC. What is that?
Hannah Clay.
I am not. Oh God! If I was Hannah, Clay, Lord help me.